If for any reason you have a Lenovo Ideapad 100S and you want to upgrade the SSD, this one at the moment has 32 gigs. Let me show you how to do it. First you switch off the laptop. You will need to unscrew all these screws that are here. Once you are sure that there are no screws left inside, you need to find some corner gently to open. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand. Okay, so this is your battery, your processor RAM should be integrated. This is the space for your SSD M.2. You will need to have one. It will get screwed over here. It will look like this. You just need to place it properly. It needs to go in the line with this screw, and you will need to screw it. Once it's screwed, put everything back. Make sure you close it properly. Turn on the laptop. It did have already installed Windows on it, so that's it. All you need to do is screw this back, and that's all.